Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Mike. We're looking at his 41 Chevrolet pickup truck. This thing is badass. Dual exhaust, 350, automatic transmission. Runs great. Got a beautiful look to it. It's got a great sound to it. Mike takes real good care of his stuff. Got a good sound. Power windows. This thing is sweet. So if you like old Chevy pickups like I do, you should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. Please check out the still photos. Give me a call anytime. We're selling cars. We love old pickup trucks. And this thing is gorgeous. Appreciate you looking at my videos. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.